Bright and cheerful, this 2-bedroom villa is a real gem located on the Arrowhead Golf Course, a public course with a conveniently located clubhouse and restaurant for all owners to enjoy. First up is the living room, which features an open floor plan, sliding glass doors to the lanai, and tons of natural light. The chef's kitchen is beautiful with a large center island, breakfast bar, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. The home features both formal and casual dining areas, elegant enough for dinner parties or casual enough for weeknight takeout. Clean lines make way for gracious appeal as the home invites a sense of warmth, peace, and comfort at every turn. At the end of a long day, when it's time to unwind and relax, the master suite is your relaxing getaway from the stresses of the day. The home offers a large screened-in porch as well as an extended screened rear lanai that overlooks the golf course and lake. Located near shopping, dining, medical facilities, and entertainment, Heritage Greens offers an abundant Florida lifestyle. Just 8.8 miles to the Gulf of Mexico's pristine beaches, this must-see luxury golf villa has something for everyone. Call today for more info and to schedule your private tour.